nice.
No, not really.
Wait, it kind of tastes like cucumber. What is up, my Schnitzel squad? Welcome back to this channel. I hope you guys are having an epic day and it's going amazing. And if it's not, put a smile on that face because I told you so. Okay, so it's currently 11 a.m. Brent's gonna be over any second now, but before he comes, I just wanna let you guys know that today we have another sponsor. Yes, I know, guys. I'm just really thriving this month. It's a good month for this channel. So recently I've been watching a lot of videos on TikTok, primarily belly dancing videos because I wanna learn how to belly dance. And I suck. If you guys don't know what TikTok is, it's an app that's centered all around creating short form videos. So they reached out to me to show you guys their new Halloween filters. I've actually already tried them and they're honestly so good. Some of them are actually like legitimately scary. So before Brent gets here, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a video on TikTok. And also just I'm gonna show you these Halloween filters because they lit. Fun fact, literally my life is on TikTok. So I think we're gonna use that so we don't get copywritten. Currently on TikTok, okay. Why is it actually so terrifying? Oh, hell no. Oh, there's a man dancing on my bed. There is a man dancing on my bed.
My life is beaches every single night. Messy buns and Christmas lights. Literally, my life is.
So if you guys want to go download the app TikTok, I will have the link in the description box. Make sure you go download it and use all your Halloween filters before spooky season is over. And thanks again, TikTok, for sponsoring this video. I love you guys, and Brent and I love you, and yeah. Also guys, a special announcement. I'm sure nobody's getting the notifications, but I've been vlogging daily on my vlog channel. And we recently got the username youtube.com/vlogtowski, which is epic. I'm gonna be vlogging all day today, so make sure you go and subscribe to Vlogtowski and turn notifications on so you see all of my vlogs because no one's watching them. Okay, I see you all watching these videos, but no one's watching the vlogs. So now I think I'm gonna get more ready. I'm going to take my hair down and then I'm gonna wait for Brent. I will see you when he gets here. Brent's here and Caleb's here.
Hey guys, I just want to let you know that you know, we came over. Oh, that's like a little noises. Malou. Oh yeah,
What's up, bitch? Showtime.
Showtime. Showtime.
Guess who's back again?
I don't know. Now top. Taco Tuesday today. I mean, no, Taco Day. It's like National Taco Day or something.
I'm back here with my good old friend Brent.
Are you gonna buy me like one of those like hats that say like
Number one friend?
Yeah.
No, I wasn't planning on it.
Oh well, I already bought you one. It's coming in the mail.
Oh.
Yeah.
Today we're doing a video that if you guys have been watching me for a couple years now, you guys have already seen me do this challenge with Casper.
How's the baby doing? How old is it?
You know, we haven't seen her in a few years.
Oh man, oh, okay.
She ran away. Today we are doing the mouth-to-mouth challenge.
Wait, we are? What the heck?
You know about
I did.
Brent texted me, okay? Brent texted me the other day. He's like, oh, I want to do a video. It's like such a good idea. Like, signs that a boy wants to kiss you. Hee hee, LOL. So then I was like, oh, I see what's happening. Brent wants to get that thumbnail.
Oh.
So I'm like, I'm gonna one-up you and get a better thumbnail.
Okay.
Subscribe and watch the video that we did on his channel.
Oh, thank you.
Because we may or may not have kissed. We didn't.
Ooh,
we didn't kiss.
Well, I don't know. Yeah, we didn't kiss. We didn't kiss. Okay, so
Yeah,
what is the mouth-to-mouth challenge?
Okay, so basically what it is, I think it's hilarious. You get a bunch of like weird shaped foods together. You both have to eat it at the same time, and the first person to crack has to eat the whole thing.
So it's like the Lady and the Tramp type thing, right?
Kind of, it's
like the
it's
spaghetti?
Yeah, it's like the Lady and the Tramp challenge. Do you like pickles?
No.
You don't like pickles?
No, I don't like pickles.
Good, because I have a pickle.
You have a pickle?
Yeah.
I don't like pickles. Is that why you have all these weird snacks down here?
Yeah. We're gonna see who cracks first eating these foods.
Crack as in like laugh?
Yeah.
Like,
be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you like when we do videos.
If you like what videos?
We do videos together. Let's get started!
On the show!
Maybe we should start with a Twizzler, because that's far apart. You know,
Twizzlers are good. Yeah,
far
that's
apart.
a good
You know,
one.
like good
Twizzler's a
one.
good one to start.
Give us some space, some boundaries.
First Twizzlers. Whoever caves first.
The first person to laugh has
Okay.
to eat 3 Twizzlers.
Do we have to get closer? What are you doing? You let go!
I can't do it! I can't do it! I've never been this close to you.
You want to split it?
Yeah. Oh!
That was your third one, right?
Sure. Banana?
I never split a banana like that before. Wait, is it gonna be peeled?
Yes!
Okay, good.
Why do we not peel the banana?
I don't know what you're gonna make us peel it with like our mouths. No, we
Wait, if a person loses, what do they have to do?
stuff a banana under the in their pants. No, let's not do that.
You have to do the grind with me dance or grind on me.
Grind on me dance on this bed? Okay, alright. Ew, I get this end. I hate the end. This was the end. This looks so weird. This looks so weird. It's so weird.
You lost me.
No. You just spit banana in my eye. Is it your side? Ew, I'm not eating that side. Guys, she left a whole lipstick mark on the freaking banana. If you think I'm eating this, I'm walking out right now. Yeah, yeah, baby, grind on me. Relax your mind, take your time with me.
Whoa. Yay, yay, yay. On me. Dill pickles. Do you
need help?
SpongeBob episode.
I just video.
No, it's like the video.
Maybe
here, I'll give you the tiny side.
Should we get like a towel?
Oh, it's dripping.
Should we get a towel?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Why do you have to put it in first every time? No, you put it in first.
You put it in first because I think it's making me like nervous.
There's one thing I hate more than pickles, it's pickles. Does that make sense?
No.
Okay. Yes, it's that! Okay. I don't know who lost in that. You're supposed to stare at me. We're supposed to crack. But you had your eyes all on the pickle. I think we both lost and we both have to drink the pickle juice.
Oh!
Guys, help me. I've never drinking a pickle juice.
Okay.
Oh, it's kind of actually nice.
No, not really.
Wait, it kind of tastes like cucumber. Just straight up, like, close your eyes, take a little bit, like, it's refreshing.
I'm not drinking more of that. I already drank.
Kind of refreshing.
It tastes like pickle.
It's not bad.
It tastes like garlic, pickles, vinegar, cucumber.
I kind of like it.
Sometimes.
Ew, burp.
It's
You
like,
know how I feel about
this is what
that.
vinegar does to me! Not happy about that.
Popcorn.
Okay, here we go. We're gonna stare at each other and whoever cracks first
I
loses.
feel like you're better. You're not gonna crack.
No.
And what do I lose?
Ew, now like all the moisture's in the popcorn because it's been in her mouth for at least like a minute. Ew, where'd it go?
Give me popcorn. Don't close
Okay,
your
okay.
lips like that.
I won't. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, whoever first loses. You stole it from me! She stole it! Automatic loss. Automatic L.
Brent, I literally can't even like look at you that close. Ice cube. We're gonna do an ice cube. It's obviously gonna be really cold. It's probably gonna get painful. You get to tweet from the person's Twitter. That's a good one.
Okay, so
One
Ava
surprise.
dropped all the ice cubes. Leave it to her.
It's fine. It's fine.
Make eye contact.
How's it going? To tweet from my Twitter account?
Yep. Twitter, please.
You were pulling away too sad to keep like pulling closer and then like the ice cube. My lips are like frostbitten. Okay.
That was
Here's
a tough
my
one.
Twitter.
That was a good one.
What are you gonna tweet?
No! I'm not gonna do it. My favorite thing about Brent is his luscious brown hair and his ability to love and care for everyone. Aww. That's so sweet of you, Ava. Not even a heart too. Aww, cute. Thanks, Ava. I'll retweet it.
Wow.
Ava, you're not ready for this one. I feel like you're losing this entire thing. Because I
Why
lost.
are you so good at this?
You know, it's just that I have good composure when I'm... See, like, I kiss a lot of girls. And so, like, when I, like, you know, I'm in that moment, you know? And it's, like, basically like that, you know? You have to post an Instagram story from the person's account.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
What? You don't even have the chip in your mouth, you poser.
I feel like one of those couples, like in public, they're like...
That's gross. No couples do.
Yeah, they do.
What? Or did you lose?
No.
I think you lost.
What? You can't do a dark screen. I don't do dark screens. What do you say? What do you say? No.
Stop!
That's it.
Stop! I'm finishing.
I have something to say. I've been in love with Ava from the moment I saw her in the red and white cheerleader outfit during literally my life. She is truly my soulmate. Ah! Never say I have something to say. Like, people are gonna be freaking out.
That's why.
People are probably like, what? Brent has finally something to say? Time for the finale, which means...
Tic Tac.
Get the Tic Tacs.
Get the Tic Tacs over here. What are you doing over there, Brent?
Yes, I can message out. Here, just fill the chips. Oh, what about this? Okay, the loser, okay, has to. So the loser, right, will have to eat the other person's Tic Tac that they've been sucking on for 10 seconds. Like you have to exchange it. What do you think? That's pretty gross, right?
That's really gross.
All right, here you go.
How am I gonna eat this?
No tongue! No tongue! Ew, there's a piece of hair on it!
What do you mean?
Get that Tic Tac out of here. We're not using that one. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
So confused. Stop doing that!
Okay,
He's
okay.
using tongue!
No tongue, Brent.
He's doing this!
Okay.
Your lips are so big. You can get your lip away from there.
Ah!
Don't do that! Where is it?
It's right here! Right here!
Ew! You lost! You lost!
Oh, I pretty much kissed her for like 10 seconds.
You lost. He lost.
Yeah, you lost.
No, what do you
Yes.
mean? What? No.
You literally lost. You pulled away and you're like, give me the freaking Tic Tac, you loser.
Ew! No, Caleb, I can't do this.
This was your bait! Open your mouth. Open your mouth!
Here, I'll put it really close, okay? Like, just drop it in. Just transfer it,
You have to open your mouth
transfer.
big.
Transfer like we were transferring it before. Yeah. Oh! Oh, no! 2, 1. Oh, I missed it. Okay, 3.
You're gonna bite my tongue
No!
off.
I have Ava's saliva in my mouth. Oh, it's hot!
Not the first time, buddy.
What? What was the last time?
You guys.
What?
So that was the mouth-to-mouth challenge.
I'm sweating.
You know, it was a lot easier with Casper.
Was it really?
You made it real difficult.
You know, Casper doesn't have the past that Breva has. I mean, you guys have a baby, I
Pretty-
guess.
yeah.
With this, it's like, no. Like the ship never, you know. Okay.
You guys, be sure to give it a big thumbs
Thumbs
up
up.
if you enjoyed this.
If you enjoyed watching us suffer through this challenge,
Yeah.
you know, overall, it's a good challenge. Maybe a little too much screaming, but that's fine.
Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and go over to Brett's channel and subscribe to him and watch the video we did on his channel. And also be sure to follow me on Instagram, Twitter. All that fun stuff will be linked down below. Head over to my vlog channel to see the vlog from today. And yeah, I love
Why
you guys.
didn't we do a spaghetti? Like, I feel like we would have done a spaghetti.
Oh yeah, true, we could. We cook one spaghetti.
That's what I'm saying, like one.
I'll see you guys next week. Bye!
Ah! The pickles are still coming up.
Gross!
I don't like pickles. This is why I don't eat pickles.
Ew.
Never give Brent pickles.